I'll tell you a trend that seemed to start about 20 years ago that I am a big supporter of, and it's the aging in place. I mean, because they've done so much in the design and the material selection, and you were talking about safety, of just preparing your house for the time when safety is a more important factor. And you really can age in place in a home that doesn't look like a hospital bed, a hospital room.
I call that smart design.
Yeah, okay.
And I bring it up with all of my projects because now's the opportunity to do what's right. There are so many nice features today that we didn't have years ago. Grab bars today just make sense for everybody. I don't care your age, everybody. I have them in my own home, and I strongly encourage them in all the showers that we do and bathrooms that we do. The grab bars today look more like a towel bar.
Yeah.
They're decorative, and they match the rest of the faucets and features in your bathroom.
Handsome, easy to clean, slip resistant floor surfaces. You know, you don't have to put that sticky tape down with the sand glued into it. I mean, you can get some good looking slip resistant flooring that it's critical. I mean, it just makes sense. And then the barrier free showers, they're just fun.
I was going to say the roll in showers, curbless showers. I mean, that's smart.
Yeah,
that's smart.
They've become very, very bright. And if your master bathroom has a sunken tub, that's the perfect place to put a barrier-free shower. Get rid of the tub and convert it to, because if you don't, to create that barrier-free entrance, the curbless entrance, I have to saw cut the floor and lower that P-trap. But in that sunken floor, right, Brad?
Yep.
In that sunken tub, that P-trap is already 18 inches down there.
That's right.
You're
halfway there.
You're halfway there. You've saved yourself a lot of trouble. So don't ever infill a garden sunken tub and not consider making it a barrier-free shower, because that's the perfect trend upgrade for a master bathroom.
Christine brings up grab bars. I totally agree with that. You never know what life's going to hand you. My wife had a broken ankle from a fall, and we wish we had one installed. We didn't do it.
Ugh.
Yeah.
And if you don't want to do the grab bars right now, let's at least get the backing in the wall while it's opened up, so that in the future, if you want to put it in, the backing's already there and it'll be a lot easier to do.
That's a great point.